Hello everybody. Today I want to introduce you about the new type of breaking news channels. So we do not make video from news on another website, and now we have a new type. First I want to introduce about myself. My name is Paul. I come from Vietnam, one of the country located in Southeast Asia. I received this channel from one of my friends who come from South of Africa, and now she live here. She want me to introduce you about our culture, our people, our food, and now she have a trip to travel to another country abroad. What do you like to hear from me? Do you like Vietnam culture? Do you like Vietnam news or Vietnam food? What do you want to know? And so I think I will make a new video from the next 3 days. Our first video and a new type of our video will upload in the next 3 days. Please subscribe for more hot news. And if you have a question, please leave your question in the comment in this video.